Hey everyone, today I'll be installing the wipers on the front and back of a Maserati Levante using the Windy Company's wipers. It comes in the 18, the 26, and also the rear wiper. We do have the 18 Windy right here, so we're going to pull this right out. I did bring this with me because I want to make sure I can protect the glass as I'm pulling the wiper out. Alright, so here you have this button. The button is the same on this side if you line it up like this. So we're just going to push here. I'm just using this to assist and then pry this way with the tool. And then I should be able to drop it. Okay, looks like I'm going to need additional help from the tool. So here, we're going to continue. Alright, see, this is why I put this blanket here, because this would have just smacked the glass. So then for the new wiper, we're just going to put it in like this. Alright, so now this wiper's done, it's on to the next one. So for that side I have the Windy Company 26 wiper. Just gonna pull this out. Alright, and once again I'm gonna use a tool. So now we're gonna go on this side. And I'm gonna put it right under the arm right there. Then we're gonna push down, pry out like this. And then this ejected just fine. Let's take this, slide it in. Okay. All right. So now I'm just pulling it back to make sure it doesn't get out. And there you go. So there's the second wiper blade. Okay, so this is the rear wiper in the Maserati Levante. So the way we're going to do this, like this. So this is off. We're going to bend the wiper this way. And then this, we're going to turn like this and then pull it like this. Then we can take the next wiper, which looks like this. Match this up. See the notch up there? Put it in like this. Twist it back, remove the wiper cover, and then stay like we can just take the cover and put it on here, and the wiper's installed just fine.